It is hot outside, everyone. Welcome to God's Garden. Just want to say hi to everyone and give y'all some news that I received today. So I went out to Walmart to get the seeds for the collard greens that Sandra had and T had explained to me about. And then when I got out there, the lady said, "Oh, well, we don't sell seeds anymore. We just did that towards the springtime." She said, "But we have no seeds in the store." Now, this came from the lady that was in a yellow vest at Walmart. And she told me this. So, yeah. Now, my thing is, what if you are in a situation like mine where I'm not working and I don't have any income, okay? So I don't have money on a debit card or a credit card. You see what I'm saying? So I can't go and order things online like some people do. So this is why when I had $20 today, I went to Walmart to go and buy the seeds that I needed. Because online it said it was at the store for $11.99. She said they don't sell them at the store. You have to go online. Right. My thing is, what if you are not used to shopping online and don't have the means to do that? So you just basically rule out this customer all the way around and stop selling seeds inside the store? Discontinue selling seeds in the store? Why? I feel like I need a little advice on that. If anyone can give me some clarity and clairvoyance on this situation, okay? Everyone have a good afternoon, and thank you for tuning in with God's Garden. Let me give you a quick view of just the plants. I broke them down into little cups, but right now we got a good view, as you can see. Yep, so we're gonna be ready to get things started. Yes, indeed. So thank you for watching and thank you for tuning in. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and definitely, if you have any questions or advice that you would like to give me on my garden, because I am doing it on a no budget, really.